Hey guys, let's talk about Bluesky threads, the new digital jungle where wit is currency and attention is gold. Going viral, there ain't about being loud. It's about being sharp, real, and weirdly magnetic. Here's how you craft a viral thread on Bluesky like a modern day bard with Wi-Fi signal. So start with the thumb stopping opener. Your first post is the headline, so treat it as treat it like a goal. Ask provocative question like, what if I told you Twitter didn't invent cancel culture? Drop a wild stat like, for example, 80% of internet users have no idea what AT protocol is. Let's fix that. Or just be unhinged but smart. This is how we accidentally invented a digital ghost town in just type thread, right? Next, say something worth reading, right? Bluesky isn't TikTok. People read, so write something worth leaning into, like storytelling, better than lecturing. Keep the tone casual but smart, and if you are funny, let it rip. Dry humor thrives on Bluesky, and use white space like a designer. Bluesky's UI makes threads feel breathable. Use line breaks and make make it scrollable. And if it looks like a dense blog post, no one's touching it, right? And value before ego. No one cares if you are building in public unless you are building something interesting. Give them tips, tools, weird facts, internet archaeology, forgotten moments, screenshots of chaos. Make them feel smarter or cooler just for reading. Next, chain it smooth, right? Threads should flow like a Netflix show, like this: hook, right? Plus expand in order, plus drop punchlines, plus surprise, surprise, alright, surprise, and plus mic drop. Okay, example format: hook, background, main point, twist, final thought, CTA. Like, what do you think? Or save this for later. Okay, next, be early, be weird, be human. Bluesky is still in its weird little creative era. It's not about growth hacking, it's about standing out. If you act like a newsletter robot, people will scroll past you like a spam. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.